baby.
Dave Price is standing by now with our first check of the weather. Dave, good evening.
It's Dave, big baby to you.
I thought we were only talking about that off air.
Hey, baby.
I gotcha.
Hey, baby.
Let's take a second. You just had a baby. Let's take a check of the weather. See what's going on all across the country, everyone.